Caring for our natural hair can be overwhelming, but it still requires a certain level of maintenance in order to keep it healthy and flourishing. Okay, so deep conditioning treatment is a module when it comes to promoting hair growth, hair elasticity, strength, and hydration. So guys, in this video we're going to be sharing with you some DIY protein treatment you can apply on your natural hair. That is the deep conditioning treatment with the very best ingredients you can find in your kitchen or in your favorite grocery stores, be it at Walmart, Food Lion, or anywhere you shop your grocery. You can find all of them there. So guys, let's start going. Let's do this. Okay, because I want it very right. So we are here at the grocery to pick some of the items that we need for this recipe, the ones we don't have already in our kitchen. Okay, so guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Saturday. Good morning this Saturday morning. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber and you're watching this video, I appreciate you a lot. And if you're seeing this video for the first time, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learn one or two things. I hope you like this video also, and I hope you subscribe and join our family. Okay, first on the list is African shea butter. This is very popular, guys. Do you know that more than 90% of your favorite skin and hair products are made with these natural ingredients? It is number one when it comes to hair moisture. 2 tablespoons is okay here. Banana is next on the list here. It contains silica, which is known to eliminate frizz and improve the hair texture from within. It contains vitamins that boost the hair elasticity and strength, promoting hair growth. Avocado is next on the list, one of the major ingredients. Avocado is a great source of biotin and vitamin B, which has the power to promote healthy, unstoppable hair growth. Incorporating avocado into your diet is also very essential to your natural hair health. Remember, you are what you eat. Plain yogurt is the next. Very natural protein treatment that is filled with fatty acid that helps add shine to your hair. For this recipe, we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons. And then we have eggs. The amount of proteins in eggs help thickens and fortifies hair follicles, making it soft and smooth. Here we have raw organic honey. Honey will prevent heat damage. It also strengthens weak, brittle hair with its antiseptic and antibacterial properties, preventing scalp infection. For this recipe, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons. Have you subscribed? Please like this video and share. And we are going to be adding our avocado oil. Also, organic coconut oil. Our last and the one of the most powerful ingredients is the apple cider vinegar with the mother. Okay, so this vinegar, you know what it's going to do for your hair? It's going to take care of your scalp. You know, it cleanses your scalp, softens your hair. One of the thing I do whenever I in my wash day, I usually rinse my hair after wash day with apple cider vinegar. Oh my goodness.
It also have antibacterial or antifungal properties that help with your scalp infections like, you know, acne or dandruff. Okay, it prevents dandruff. It helps to cure dandruff. So if you're not using this apple cider vinegar during your wash day, please start using it. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and give this thing a blend it to a smooth consistency until you get that creamy texture. Before we start applying it,
You're making a mess. Try to, you know, smoothen up a little bit more. Okay, lastly, we're going to be adding some essential oil. Here I have my peppermint oil, just 3 drops. Not much. Good. And tea tree oil. Whenever you're using this oil, just make sure that you dilute it because that's so powerful, you know. 3 drops, 1, 2, 3. Good. That smells so good. So next, you're gonna see where I'm applying this on my hair. Let's go to the bathroom and finish. So here is the application process. So one thing you have to keep in mind here is that you have to make sure that your natural hair is clean. It doesn't have to be damp or wet, but it has to be clean. You may have washed it instantly, or you may have washed it 2 days ago or a few days ago, but just make sure that your scalp is clean because all these nutrients needs to penetrate into a clean hair and into a clean scalp. And again, when you're about to, you know, rinse out the product, you're not rinsing it out with any shampoo or soap. You're rinsing it out with cool, lukewarm water. Yeah, okay. So that is the reason why you have to make sure that your hair and your scalp is very clean. So now I am applying this on my hair using my fingertips to do so. I always advise you use your fingertips. It's one of your major tools before you can transition to your comb or your detangler. Okay, here it will prevent the breakage that we are talking about. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? If you are new to my channel, have you liked this video? Leave a comment, guys. I appreciate your time. I hope you will learn 1 or 2 things from this video. Okay, now after applying all this to your hair, the next thing you're going to do is you leave it for a couple of minutes, maybe between 40 to 1 hour. Then you rinse everything out. Okay. at this point, I have already washed out the products from my hair. I have moisturized it. I have also blow dried the hair, getting it ready for a protective styling. So I will encourage you to apply this product before you wear any natural styling and after you wear any natural styling. You will have an unstoppable hair growth. Thank you for watching, guys.